Hi guys, so this is actually 2 reviews in one. So I will be putting pictures instead of actually showing pictures of me wearing them. I haven't wore one of my contacts yet, but it's a review for also WormHole Tattoo Pen, and also MocoQueen, because I haven't did a review for them because I have bought some new contacts from them. Not every day, because like I said, your girl don't have it like that. But that being said, before I jump into it, please give this video a like, share it, and let's get into this review. So Moco Queen, I've been using them since I got my very first pair of contacts. I absolutely love them. They come in a decent time. It's absolutely amazing. Like I said, I never had any issues with their contacts. I have them, and now these are the green ones. I put the description in the description box as well. They're really pretty. They don't irritate my eyes. Now, don't get me wrong. After a while, because I don't wear contacts every single day. All right, so let's go to the final review. So WormHole is I've thought about becoming a tattoo. I promise I can speak. I was thinking about being a tattoo artist because I draw and I paint, but it still haven't really fully crossed my mind. So one of my sister's husbands, a very big supporter of my artwork and really loves it, he said, hey, look into it, see if this is what you really want to do. So I was just like, yeah, okay. So I went ahead and got the tattoo gun and stuff like that, because that's going to really tell you if you really want to do it once you start tattooing yourself. And that's what I did to get practice. So the very first tattoos I did, and I will show you pictures of the actual gun and what it looks like unboxed and stuff like that on the screen somewhere. I will show you. I'm not going to just talk about it. I'm going to show you as well. And so that being in mind too. Also too, I forgot to put this in the last video. So my journals too, to kind of like, I keep forgetting to talk about this, but the journals, they currently are not on Amazon anymore. I'm having issues with my Amazon account. But if I end up using Amazon again, or if and you probably saw it in my last video that I posted, if I don't end up going to Lulu, because there's still no message on exactly what happened to it and if they're going to give it back to me or whatnot, even though I did say I was going to just go for Lulu now, but I was always told, at least try it out and just see kind of what happens if your account can come back or not. So basically it's up in the air. But when my journals are eventually out again and ready to be bought and purchased, I'll let you know where to get them, and they'll be coming back to you guys soon. So keep that in mind. Can't wait till that happens. So yeah, so keep that in mind. I'll let you know. So yeah, so with me, I'm a loyal customer. If I've had wonderful positive experience with the company and the products work for me and I like it, I will continue to buy from you. And I see all these cute little boxer briefs, side note, all these cute little boxer briefs for women and stuff like that, and I want them, and I hope that you have them for my size. Please, you guys, please, if you guys really support the plus size community with these cute clothing that you make for smaller women, we will be loyal to you. I guarantee it. So keep that in mind, you guys, when making these cute clothes. Make some for us too, because I will model for you guys. Don't play with me, especially if they enhance my curves and stuff like that. It's over. So the pictures will be somewhere on this picture. So first off, I got it. It was about $45, $50-ish. Of course, with tax, it came to like $60 to $70. I got the red one. I wanted the pink one, but then it was like $20 to $30 more, and I'm just like, crap, I don't have that kind of money right now, so we'll just get the red one. The red one's my mom's favorite color, so love you, Mom in heaven, miss you. So I got the red one for her. Okay, so it comes with ink, like little bitty tubes of ink. Of course, I will show you this all in the video, and they're teeny, and you get all the colors. You get pink, purple, yellow, red, black, 2 different type of blacks, true black and black. And they come with gloves, 1 pair of gloves. They come with the little ink caps to put your ink in. They come with your transfer paper, a couple scripts of that, a lot of those actually, quite a bit of those. They give you quite a bit of needles as well. So of course, quite a bit of those. And the needles, you make sure you're also still, even though they come and sell like this, still please check your dates, you guys. Don't just be putting anything in your skin or on your skin. Check the dates, and the dates have to be in date, and they are. And they give you 2 types of needles. They give you the, like I said, it will be all somewhere on the screen because I don't know them off the top of my head, but they give you 2 types of needles. Of course, you get the cord, and mine is actually with the petal. Now, I don't mind it with the petal, but when I first tattooed, it kept stopping and going because I didn't have enough pressure on the petal. So keep that in mind on which one you get. But the overall experience, because when I did read the reviews, they kept saying like mine didn't work, the cord didn't work, the tattoo gun, like they had a lot of issues with it. So I was taking a big risk, but I was like, for around $40-ish, $50-ish dollars, it's not bad for the risk. Also to get me started, you know what I mean? I'm freshly new to this, so I don't need nothing super expensive and fancy. I don't even know if I'm gonna like it, you know what I mean? So I wanted something just to start me off. So it came up with a cool little kit. The things that, and they give you a little bit of A&D and ointment, but the things that you have to provide is the green soap, paper towel, of course the spray bottle and stuff like that for that, the distilled water, and then of course new type of ink. Eventually I will be getting some bigger bottles of ink, but the ink that they did provide so far does well. So I can show you some of them via video because they're on my skin. Some of them I won't be able to, so there will be pictures here. So my very first experience is I was hesitant when I saw that needle. So when I saw that needle, I was just like, ooh. I mean, am I really going to stick myself? Like, it's crazy when you're actually thinking about it. So things that I've learned, obviously get everything you need. Get your green soap, get your alcohol, get everything you need. Of course, they don't provide the alcohol either. So get everything you need. Get the proper cleaning stuff, get your gloves. I got me some more gloves. I got me black gloves. And I got Bounty. Bounty is the best purple towel I've heard out there and things like that. And I got distilled water. I got everything I need. Even the green soap, hunty. I got everything to make sure I don't get an infection and make sure I'm doing everything properly. So when I did my first tattoo, I wanted to do like skeleton hands. I don't know if you can see them with the light, and that's another reason I'm using my ring light so you can actually see. But I didn't go deep enough. And keep that in mind, you have to go deep enough for it to stay. Now, I didn't do the shading needle yet because I wanted just to see how much I can take of the pain doing it myself. Now, I've had tattoos done before. I will show you my tattoos that's been done by professionals, and I'll show you the ones I've done myself. And I'm tell you guys, I'm getting better, and I'm so proud of myself. So tap on the back, pat, I'm super excited. They get better. So yeah, so these were like my first ones, and then I noticed like at the time my daughter, she was like not feeling it really, so I was like, okay, I'll pause it. And then later on that night I did this one. It says always. I know it's backwards, and it's once again not deep enough, and it's healing right now. It's peeling like it's supposed to. Don't mind me, my skin is a little dry. I put lotion on. Like, I constantly wash my hands, you guys, so, and I do dishes as well, so that's why my hands are dry as well. So bear with me, but yes, it's not deep enough. And then of course I did this octopus, as you could tell from my daughter. Her name is Ocean, and once again, it wasn't deep enough. It's better. You can tell like every time I did a tattoo, it gotten so much better. And that's one thing that's amazing when you keep practicing. Same thing with drawing. Once you keep practicing, the better you will get. I promise you guys. Like, practice makes perfect. It's not just a saying, you guys. So of course, once it heals completely and it's done peeling, I'm going to go back over and redo the tattoo. And of course, I'll show you guys when I redo it, because it's still peeling. As you can tell, like, it faded completely out. It looks like a really cool, one of those really cool things you get at the fair tattoos, but it's not dark enough. So then from there, I did my seashell. Of course, if you can't really see it because I'm on camera, but you can tell even from the side with the bubbles and stuff, it's getting so much better. And I will put a picture as well of the seashell. And I took my time. I sat there, took my time slower to get the ink in there. Of course, as you're cleaning your tattoos, you might, to prep your skin, keep in mind you have to prep your skin, clean your skin with alcohol. I clean my skin twice just to make sure it's clean, okay? So I prep my skin by cleaning my skin twice with alcohol, cleaning it really well, and where that tattoo is going to be placed. Also, too, another thing that doesn't come with the stencil. It's called stencil stuff. That's what I bought, and it works really well. And so you have to also purchase that. And this was my first stencil art. This technically was the octopus, but it didn't really work out because also too, keep in mind too, whenever you're doing letters, you have to do it in reverse. So yeah, I didn't know that at first, so it was all kinds of kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So as you can tell, that was my better tattoo. Of course, you can't really see it, but I have the Silent Hill saving symbol and the saving symbol in between my chest, and then I have the Deathly Hollow symbol, and that's where I kind of did all those in one night. And once again, you can see the thickness and the darkness of the ink. Also, too, you guys, while you're doing these tattoos, please make sure you're keeping your skin clean with also the green soap. And stuff like that. If you want more details on kind of my experience on how I kind of prep myself and things like that, let me know in the comments. I will help you guys out. Like I said, but keep in mind, I'm not a professional. I would prefer you guys to go talk to an actual tattoo artist that's a professional and stuff like that. But this was my experience. I've had such a positive experience with this gun and with the stuff that they provided me already with the kit and stuff like that. So it's been such a positive experience. But that one, so the one I'm super excited about, you guys, I'm gonna put a picture of it, but I'm gonna try to show you a little bit. I did the Death Eaters tattoo, and the lines are thick, the lines are juicy, and they're beautiful. And I did this one this morning. Yes. So I sat there, and I also did a jellyfish, and I'll show you a picture of that, because eventually my whole arm is going to be representing my daughter. My whole left arm is going to be representing my daughter and things like that. So it's going to be a lot of aquatic. Now I added the Deathly Hollows tattoo because, for one, I'm right-handed, so I tattoo with my right hand, and I really wanted that tattoo so bad. So I was just like, Harry Potter, do you think it? So I went ahead and did it that, and I was also practicing my thicker lines and things like that. And also, too, keep in mind, guys, if you don't go deep enough, you will have to end up re-going over your tattoo. And that's kind of what happened with me when I was doing this. I was not going deep enough. I was not getting enough ink on the needle. So keep that in mind, too. If you don't have enough ink in that needle, or enough to at least get you the outline of that, you're going to have to do it over. So whenever you wipe it clean with the green soap, all that ink is going to come off, and you're just going to see basically a swollen area where the tattoo should be, but there's no ink there. So keep that in mind. But also too, you guys, keep in mind not to tear up your skin either. So so there's a lot of risk, so please just do your research as well. I did my research before I did any of this, and every time I do my tattoos, I make sure I follow it to the T every single time, so I don't get an infection. Because there was one time I actually went to a professional with my tattoo on this side, and it got infected. And I don't even know how. That's why you always gotta make sure everything is sterilized. I don't know if my skin just didn't take the ink. I really don't know what exactly happened. I think my daughter talked to her in sleep. That's kind of scared me. She sounded like a little bell. It was kind of freaky though. But I don't know what happened. It just got infected. It healed okay. Some of the ink kind of disappeared, and some of the lettering and stuff like that. But for the most part, the whole tattoo was there. I don't know what happened. I can't tell you what happened, but it did. So that's why another reason why I follow the rules to the T. To the T. To the T. But, so that being said, you guys, so WormHole tattoo gun that I got on Amazon. Like I said, I will show you the ad and things of where it looks like when you go in there. And there's different type of guns and different things that you can get. And the ink that I'm going to be eventually is I think it's called World's Best Ink. Eventually I will be getting that. That's $100. I'm going to get the black to gray kit. It comes with a whole bunch of black and a whole bunch of like this really gray color. Because I definitely want to get better with shading. And I'll show you with the details with the Deathly Hollows. I did a little shading just with the actual needle. I didn't use a shader this time. I was just like, you know what, let me just do it with the needle gun just to see if I can. And it turned out pretty okay. So I'm not comfortable with the shader because you can actually rip up your skin really bad with the shader. So I'm not brave yet enough for that. But for so far, I definitely say it's a buy. Moco Queen is a go. This WormHole Tattoo Pen is a go. I had such a positive experience. When I got the gun, it worked perfectly fine. No issues. It gives you directions on how to set up your needle, what the needle should look like. Everything was perfect. Now I just gotta find my ink caps for my ink, because they disappeared somewhere in my house. But I definitely say it's a buy. Go check it out. Go check them out. Show them the love. Get your tattoo gun, their tattoo pen, and stuff like that. I had such a positive experience. And tattooing has been such fun. It's, like I said, I'm gonna be not severely tattooed, you guys. I want to tattoo here, just as no prisoners, and like I'm gonna be tatted up, but not to a extreme point, But I'm super excited because eventually I'm gonna be tattooing these guys on there too. And stuff like that. But other than that, though, you guys, it's been an amazing experience with both companies. Really positive experience. So that being said, you guys, if you're ever looking for a tattoo pen or something to start you off with, go to Amazon. I'll put the link in the description and go check them out. Like I said, I will always support. If I had a positive experience, I will always support. And that's what you guys do. Even if you had a positive experience from my channel, if you get something from my channel that you didn't get from somebody else, I'm trying to get my personality out to you guys so you can see what I can bring for you guys. But it's hard. It's different talking to a phone. It's hard talking to, the video game, You don't do it often. Like I said, I'm not a big, if you watch my other video, I'm not a big internet person. I'm not a big video camera record me kind of person. It's something new I'm getting used to, but I'm trying to get my personality out to you guys and trying to show you who I am and what most people fall in love with when they meet me and things like that. But that being said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something from it. If you did, give this video a like, share it, especially if someone that you know is trying to be a tattoo. If you're trying to be a tattoo artist, or if you want a beginner kit or something like that, show them this video. Show them. I can't stress it enough. I need a good 50% of you guys that come to my channel and just to check me out. Give me a like, give me a follow, give me, help me out. Help me out if you don't mind. Please, kind sir. I really do appreciate it. But that being said, you guys, of course, like I said, throughout the video, you will see the tattoos. Y'all will see it, where I came from so far. And it's been amazing. I can't wait to do an octopus over, and I can't wait to do my hand over. It's gonna look completely different. I'm super excited, you guys. But that being said, I hope you have the most amazing day ever. Please, once again, from the last video, I think I almost scratched myself in my face. If you're gonna bless someone, if you're gonna show somebody love, if you're gonna give someone help, do it at the kind of your heart. Don't expect nothing back. God would definitely be appreciative of that. Always show love, always show respect, and that's all I got for you guys. Just bless someone at the kind of your heart. Please don't scam people and family and people who really need the help. Don't hurt them. We have enough hurt in this world. Please don't hurt anybody else. Please. You know what I mean? But that being said, have a good day, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.